Hello everybody and welcome back to the vault with me, Grandpa Gray, and I gotta do this real quick. And yes, I know you're looking at it going, you just named 5 name tags Mama C. Yes, I did, because in my last episode I killed those chickens that escaped, and I knew as soon as I did it that Mama C was not gonna like it, and I did it anyway. Wow. So I need to go replace the chickens, and I told her I'd replace them, and I would name them so she would know that they are now Mama C's chickens. And she was okay with how things were in terms of putting the chicken in the jar for getting the feathers and the chicken. But yeah, so you get 3 here. Let me go downstairs to our pantry, if you will. And let's take blue eggs and brown eggs. And hopefully we get enough chickens out of these eggs. Oh, and I have to take this down, by the way, because she said that was not nice. Yeah, I kind of agree with her. I kind of agree. Now, just so you guys know, and she didn't tell me to tell you this, but Mama C does not stand for chicken. The C doesn't stand for chicken. All right, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to name the guys that are here. Right? Stand still. Mama C. Mama C. And Mama C. There we go. Okay, now I need to replace 5 chickens. Oh, I didn't do this right. Whoops. Well, let's replace some of the chickens. Let's throw the brown eggs first and see how many we get. There's 1. There's 2. So these are the brown chickens. I didn't realize that, but okay. There's another one. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. All right, let's do the blue ones. The blue eggs. We're not getting very lucky with these. There's 1. Okay, well you, buddy, because you're by yourself, you're definitely going to name. Oh, you know what? I just thought of something. Didn't mean to punch you there, buddy. I don't think you can name tag them until they're grown up. And in order to grow them up, let's get some seeds. Right over here with our, oh, that hoe must have died. It's okay. Let's get some seeds here. And I took the chicken head down, but I still want those chickens to know that them escaping is not okay. So I'm going to put myself up here to watch them. There you go. And let's feed the chickens. We could actually feed the big ones, Mama C and Mama C, and you guys can make another baby. Thank you. And then you, little blue chicken. That looks gray to me, but they're calling it blue, so we keep feeding you till your growth time goes down. Every seed we give you, get that much closer. All right. While you're finishing up, 2 seconds. There he is, Mama C. All right, I got one more. So let me feed one of the little guys. Stop moving around, guys. I gotta feed you. I got enough? I hope so. Don't move. Still feeding you. Oh, ran out of seeds. Not really, but that's all right. We'll wait the 7 seconds. Hey, you stay here. I need to know which one are getting ready to grow up here on me. There you go, Mama C. All right, there's 5 chickens named Mama C. So that takes care of Mama C. And remember, I told you guys, the C does not stand for chicken. It's not Mama Chicken, okay? We do need to look at our dirt over here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Except it's too short. We need it to grow farther. And I need more dirt, so now I can take this back. Remember, I'm trying to get this grass growing so that we can bring the chickens. Yeah, got chickens on the brain. Can bring the sheep down here. Now all I need to have it do is turn this corner. Like so. And I don't have it. Okay. In other words, I don't have a pick. Oh, it's already did it. It already did it. Yes, please. Thank you. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now I'm going to leave that one there just for good measure. We're going to take this back so we can start populating the ground for the chickens. And by the way, the chicken debacle was not the only thing that Mama C had things to tell me about. She's not convinced that the villagers need to stay in the pots, and that she thought that the whole reason for capturing this village or covering this village was so that the villagers could have free range. And I explained to her again that I'm concerned for their safety. And she says, then fix it. Fix the safety issue. Meaning, do what you gotta do to make it right. Put fences up or whatever. And we're talking about mainly that big hole over there in the ground where they could fall in and get stuck, the villagers. So the idea is we're going to get the villagers, we're going to get some villagers down here because I want some farmers to work my farms, and I could have a shepherd down here running my sheet pen. That's my thinking anyway. See, this is not where dirt's supposed to go. Dirt is supposed to go here. In other words, I need one row between them. Does that make sense? And then we use the black terracotta here to frame out the farm. Yes, I'm going to go down there and get that because I can't afford to lose it. Okay. Now, back up top. And this is where the dirt comes in. And technically, because we got dirt coming in already here, we could theoretically bring in the sheep. But not going to do that just yet because I want to be more prepared. What are you doing? I'm helping the grass grow. Okay, I messed up, but see? Look, see? Okay, I messed up, I get it. Let me fix it. I think my sheet pen is going to be bigger than it needs be, but that's okay. Because we still got to get a lot of beds made and stuff. I think I'm going to go ahead and just make the fences and everything. Still got a little bit of dirt here I can use. So let's go up this way with it. In other words, we're expanding the grass as we go. See, I got 5 more. That's 2 or 3? 2. I will put that one there. Well, let me jump down. Pick all this stuff up again, Gray. And like I said, I think I need to go get some more wood over at the tree farm for the sheep pen. But I think I'm going to go ahead and break the dirt here. Now that I can do that, there we go. And I can even take this one off. And I can't pick any up. What's going on with that? You got too much stuff in your inventory, Gray. I know. You saw it, I saw it, everybody saw it. Okay, I don't think I have any room in my linked chest either. I think I filled this up with the, I got a little bit of room. Okay, let's put that away. Because, yeah. And we probably should condense more of this iron down too, but for now, let's just do that. And then over here, I can throw the seeds, extra ones I had, up in here. And I think I can do the potatoes as well. Let's see if they go process through. Yeah, there they go. And it goes through the composter and comes out on this side as bone meal. That's what we're talking about. Okay, what were we doing? Oh yeah, we were getting ready to chopperate the trees. What kind of fence do we want around the sheep pen? I already know the answer. Cherry wood. Okay, the problem with this is, Gray, you cannot break the wood that your thing is on. My bee nest. Okay. Make sure it's not touching. Okay. We'll get the saplings. Mama C, I'm doing this special for you because I know that you like pink. There you go. And now we need to make some sticks, even though I've already got sticks. Okay, I always get this wrong, guys, but I'm going to go for it. I'm going to believe. Is this how you make fences? Or is this how you make gates? It's how you make gates, Gray. You got it wrong, buddy. You got to switch it up. So the sticks go in the middle for the fence, and then the cherry wood goes on the outside, and that gives us the cherry fence. That's what I'm talking about right there. 64 of them. That is more than enough to do the job. So, back over here we go. See what I'm going for, guys? A pink fence. I'm going to leave this front part open because I'm going to lead them down here. I guess I could put them in the lassos. We'll see how that goes. I'm talking about the sheep that I have up top. And I still need to get the dirt. I think there's more dirt underground. I think I might have too much stuff in my inventory still. So what do? We drop some of it off, Gray. Just temporarily. Feathers and chickens. There we go. And I'll forget about the fact that they're in there. Let's pick up this dirt. And yeah, I want to put carpets on the fence so that we'll be able to jump over like you do. I got 4 more dirt for you guys. So I just want you to know I'm watching out for you. Talking about the sheep now. There we go. Do I have any torches on me? You know what? I don't. And I don't think I have any coal in my chest either. Let me double check this over here. Do I have anything in here? No. Let's sort that. Oh wow, okay, that I thought I'd have more room than that. Okay, well, let's take 3 stacks of iron then. And make the iron blocks. Here. Here. There we go. And you're going to do it again, aren't you, Gray? No, you're not going to mess with that one. You're not going to mess with that one because remember, you still got to take the feathers out. Here, I'll put the iron in there. Just temporary. Remember that, guys. Temporary. Let's finish making these into the blocks. What you say? Okay. Again, trying to condense down as much as I can. Get on the right tab here, Gray. There you go. 19 more. Very good. Oh, speaking of which, I'm gonna make these into ingots as well, just to condense them. You know what I mean? All right. Close that. We've got to do some other stuff. I can't remember what it was. Wow. Got to clean up this mess, Gray. You got to plant your trees back, your saplings, if you will. I don't know if these are the only ones that will grow. But these are the ones I'm putting back because I've got flowers in all the other slots. Okay. Do I have shears? That's the question. I do not, but I have iron. You know what that means. Now we have some shears. What do you need shears for, Gray? Because I'm going to go up and shear my sheep. But before I do that, I'm going to grab me some animules. Oh, I got an iron golem in that one. Let me grab a cow to add back into our thingamabobber here. Let's see. Who's it going to be? Moo Moo? You. There you go. Now we can put him back in here. Cow, help us out, buddy. Should probably get a pig and a chicken as well. Oh man, I'm almost out of time, people. You've been playing around too much, Gray. Let's get a pig. All right. No, these are the cows, Gray. Come over here and grab a piggy. Little piggy. Gotcha. Now, I'm going to grab a chicken in this lasso, but Moma C, I'm not going to grab one of yours if I can help it. There's got to be one that's in here now that's not named Moma C. So I'm not taking yours. Not this time. I learned my lesson. At least until next time. Alright, now, got to make sure we put them in the right slot. Nope, it's not the right slot. That's for the sheep. Chickens is, there we go. Where you at, chickens is? Let's make sure we got the right lasso. Yep. Chicken. You go in there. And pig, you go in here. Yep. And I'm going to take my iron back before I forget, because I will forget. And let's put our pig in here. There we go. Okay. So you guys were hiding over here the whole time? Isn't this where I was? Maybe not. Oh man. Don't go out. Stay in here. Thank you. Might as well take the green wool too. Okay, we good? Alright, I'll come back for you guys next time. Nope, stay in there. I don't want to lose you again, okay? Because I don't have any sheep. Alright, we'll get back to the fence. Did I go the wrong way? Again? Wrong way, Gray? What can I say? Yep, of course I did. All the way around in the wrong corner. Well, while I'm running over there, let me say thank you guys for stopping by and checking me out. I do appreciate it very much. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And did I redeem myself with the chickens? I hope so. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the fence up. Well, actually, I'm going to leave it open for a couple of slots, but we'll leave that like that, and I'll put the carpet on here after I get them moved down. I got to get more dirt, and I got to finish this up, but I'm going to let you guys go for now. Thank you for stopping by and checking me out. I do appreciate it very much, and we will see you again next time. And while I'm here, let me change out the hoe, because I know I got more, because I made them last time. There we go. Harvest all that. We'll see you.